go!
Pardon me.
What?
Again? Launch me exactly the same way you did for Red! That wasn't ready!
Chuck, is that you?
This is the House of Horrors!
Huh? Hey, Jerry,
Yeah?
come here. Look at this.
What's up? Says everything's normal.
Jerry, are you seeing this?
I don't see anything.
Hey, Chuck, it's Red. Zip on down here.
Hey, Chuck's mom, can your son come out to play?